Hello grade 7. Today we will continue our revision sheet. We solve from question 19 to question 24. Let's go. Exercise number 19. Use the figure. Tony designed the sticker for his skateboard. What is the area of the sticker? Here, this is a composite figure. We have two triangles. So, I called it A and B. So, the area of the triangle A is base times height over 2. So, we make 7 times 3 over 2. 7 times 3 is equal 21. 21 over 2 is 10.5. Triangle B is the same. The area is base times height over 2. So we make A equal 7 times 3 over 2. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 over 2 is equal 10.5. So we make the sum of the two areas, so is 10.5 plus 10.5 equal 21. So the result is 21. So the answer is B. Exercise number 20. Carter drew this model of a bread box he wants to build for his father, which show the volume of the bread box. This is a square prism because we have in the base a square and then the rectangle that forms a prism. So if the base is a square, we have that the volume is B times H. B is the base area. The base area is the base of is a square, so the area of a square. So we make side length times side length. So B is equal 10 times 10 equal 100. So the volume is 100 times height, that is 18. So 100 times 18 equal 1800. So the result is 1800. D. (21) We want to find the circumference of the circle to the nearest tens. Use 3.14 for pi. So, the radius is 17. The circumference is pi times 2 times r. Pi times 2 times 17. 2 times 17 is equal 34. We have to use 3.14 for pi, so is equal 3.14 times 34. If we make the multiplication, we have 106.76. We want to round to the nearest tens. The tenth is the seventh. So we see the 6. 6 is bigger than 5, so we make plus 1 to the 7. So it's equal 106.8. So the answer is D. Number 22. Anna is planning on making a circular garden. If the diameter of the garden is 21 meters, what is the circumference? Use 3.14 for pi. So, we have the diameter is equal 21 meters. So, the circumference is pi times d. So, pi times 21. We have to use 3.14 for pi, so we make 3.14 times 21 is equal, if we make the multiplication, 65.94. So the result is 65.94 meter. Number 23. Maria is planning on making a circular garden. If the diameter of the garden is 42 yards, what is the circumference? Use 22 over 7 for pi. So, the diameter is 42 yards, so the circumference is pi times d, so it's pi times 42. Pi, we say that we will use 22 over 7. 22 over 7. times 42. 42 is 6 times 7. So we can cross the two 7, 7 and 7. So it remains only the 6 of the 42. So 22 times 6 equal 132. So the answer is A. The last one, we want to find the area of the rectangle. We know that the area of the rectangle is length times width. So we make 7.6 times 16. If we make the multiplication, we have 121.6. So the result is D. Good study and bye.